Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about some challenge that we face when they are doing the interlocking for some of us. Um, this is my client have a challenge of not being with one person for the person to do his hair for her. So different hands is on it. If you can view it very nicely, there is different stand on it. Um, how people use turns the cushion to interlock have to be not very well. You see here, if you see how the thread looks like it have been separately. That's how you see here. You see, I'm trying to show you something here. You see how it have been turned, how they turn the cushion pin to interlock for the person. Some people have to turn it very well so that we cannot have those kind of things. This is a short video for me to prompt, and um just we are all not perfect. We are just learning. So you should see all the time. Bye.